Welcome to Swahili School. We are learning fruits in Swahili, or what we called Matunda. Matunda. Before we start, please hit that subscription button. Join the notification gang. This will help us greatly in the YouTube universe. This is Swahili 103, lesson 4. Lesson 4, Matunda. What is Matunda? Matunda is fruits in plural in Swahili. Matunda. Matunda. If it's one fruit, we just say tunda. Tunda means one fruit. Many fruits, matunda. Mention all the fruits that you can see right now. What are all these fruits? We got bananas, grapes, strawberries, kiwis, peaches, tomatoes. Are tomatoes fruits? So let's learn more. Ndizi. Ndizi. If you haven't done the phonics, pause this video, go to the phonics. We have all the Swahili phonics. Start there. It will help you greatly with writing and pronunciation and reading of Swahili. So, one banana, ndizi. I will keep insisting one banana because if it's more than one, it's mandizi. But that is Swahili 201, 202 when you learn about ndizi, mandizi. For now, ndizi. Ndizi moja. Ndizi moja. One banana. Blueberry. 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 When we did colors, the color for blue was buluu or samawati. But we don't say samawati berry. We say buluu. Blueberry. Blueberry. The third one is the apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Quite a lie. Tufa. Tufa. It can either be tufa or tufaha. Tufa or tufaha. Ndizi. Banana. Blueberry. Blueberry. And it doesn't matter whether it's plural or singular. Tufaha or tufa. Apple. Doesn't matter whether it's plural or singular. Raspberry, raspberries. Who knew raspberries comes in all shades of colors? Raspberry, raspberry. Cherry, cherry. Drop the Y at the I. Cherry. Tikiti, tikiti, like ticket. Tikiti is cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Tikiti. Let's review that. Raspberry or raspberry, raspberry, cherry, tikiti. Tikiti maji, tikiti maji. That is watermelon, watermelon. Maji means water. Tikiti, cantaloupe. So tikiti maji, watermelon. Forosadi, forosadi, that is strawberry. But another name that is even much easier is strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry is legally okay to say strawberry. Or forosadi, the official name. One orange, chungwa. One orange. If it's more than one orange, it is machungwa. Machungwa. Machungwa, more than one. Same as color, the orange color is machungwa. The color is machungwa. Tikiti maji, watermelon, tikiti maji. Forosadi, strawberry, forosadi. Chungwa, orange, chungwa, orange. Machungwa, oranges. Ndimu, ndimu, lemon, lemon, ndimu. Limau, lime, limau, lime. Zabibu, grapes, the different kinds of grapes, whether it's green, black, red. Zabibu, like zambarau, purple color. Zabibu, grapes. Ndimu, lemon. Limau, lime. Zabibu, grapes. Peasi, pears. The Japanese pears, the crunchy kind, not the soft one, is the best for me. That's my preference. Peasi, pears. Nanasi. This word is in many languages the same. Ananas, ananasi, nanasi, pineapple. It all in Arabic, all these different languages end up with nanasi or a different form of nanasi, pineapple, nanasi. Embe, my all-time favorite fruit. Embe, one mango, embe. More than one, maembe. One mango, embe. Peasi, pears, peasi. Nanasi, pineapple, nanasi. Embe, mango. Embe, mango. Mangoes, maembe. Maembe. Papai, my second favorite fruit. Papai, popo or papaya, popo. Pesheni, passion fruit. Pesheni, passion fruit. Parachichi, avocado. This is cream of the cream, top of all fruits. Parachichi. Papai, popo, papai. Pesheni, passion fruit. Pesheni. Parachichi, avocado. Parachichi, one avocado. Apricoti, apricot. Apricoti. Nyanya, tomato. Nyanya has two meanings, two nouns. Nyanya is a tomato and nyanya is a grandmother. So when we do families, you'll find that nyanya means grandma. Nyanya, tomato. Mnazi, coconut. This is important to know. Mnazi, coconut. Apricoti, apricot, apricoti. Nyanya, tomato, nyanya. Mnazi, coconut, mnazi. Hit that subscription button. We want you to join our gang. So please join us and learn more Swahili with us because we enjoy having you in our classes. Mapera, guava. There are two kinds of mapera. The pinkish one and the yellow one. Mapera means guavas in general, or mpera, one fruit, and it can also mean the tree itself. Mpera could be the tree that gives us guava, or the fruit, one singular fruit. Mpera, mapera, guavas. Pararandi. This is liquid. Pararandi. If you have never tasted this fruit, make sure in your lifetime you taste it. Pararandi. It is a sweet, sweet fruit. Pararandi, liquid. Pararandi. So mapera, guava juice, mapera, juicy, and pararandi, liquid. Maswali. So this is to review what we've learned so far and also put it in sentences. What is this? This is a banana. What is this? This is a mango. So let's start with hi ni nini. What is this? That's the question. Hi ni nini. What is this? And you say, this is a banana. That would be the way to answer it. Hi ni ndizi. Hi ni ndizi. Ndizi. This is a banana. This is a banana. Hi ni ndizi. So for the next questions, when I ask hi ni nini, answer hi ni and give me the answer. Hizi ni nini. So here's the difference between he and hizi. Hizi is plural. I'm asking you, what are these? These in plural. What are these? Hizi ni nini. And your answer should start with, these are hizi. Hizi ni. That should the answer start with. Hizi ni raspberry. Hizi ni raspberry. Hizi ni nini? Hizi ni nini? Hizi ni blueberry. Hizi ni blueberry. Hii ni nini? I'm back to singular. What is this? Hii ni nini? Hii ni tufaa. Hii ni tufaa. Hizi ni nini? Hizi ni nini? I'm back to plural. Hizi ni cherry. Hizi ni cherry. These are cherries. These are cherries. Hizi ni cherry. Hii ni nini? Hii ni nini? What is this? Hii ni tikiti. Hii ni tikiti. This is a cantaloupe. Hii ni nini? Hii ni nini? And I'm assuming it was one watermelon that was cut into pieces. Not many watermelons. Hii ni nini? Hii ni tikiti maji. Hii ni tikiti maji. This is a watermelon. This is a watermelon. Practice how to say hii ni nini. Asking a question and answering hii ni. Answer the question. This is the answer. And hizi ni nini? Hizi ni when it's plural and when it's singular. Hii ni nini? It's singular. Hizi ni nini? It's plural. This is plural here. Hizi ni nini? It's in plural because it's more than one fruit. Hizi ni cherry. These are cherries. These are cherries. Hii ni nini? This is singular. He, singular, which means this. What is this? What is this? And your answer would be, this is a cantaloupe. Hii ni tikiti. Hii ni tikiti. One more lesson. Napenda forosadi. Napenda forosadi. I like strawberries. I like strawberries. I like strawberries. Nakula forosadi. Nakula forosadi. I am eating strawberries. I am eating strawberries. Nakula forosadi. I want you to notice they're both in present tense. I like, I'm eating. Napenda is the verb. Kula is the verb. Na means it's present tense. It's happening right now. I like. But that is Swahili 201, 202 when I learn. I am, you are, we are, they are. Down in the description box, you will find homework sheets, games, and much more that you can do to practice this lesson. So you have all different kinds of worksheets and all kinds of games, and also live lessons. If you're interested in live lessons to learn Swahili, use the links that you find in the description box on this video. We love having students in our live classes. If you've joined us before, thank you so much. We'd love to see you again. If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Join us. You'll see how much fun we have in our classes. We can't wait to have you. In the meantime, go download this for a small fee and you will enjoy learning Swahili. Next is vegetables. Vegetables in Swahili. How to say mboga in Swahili. I like vegetables. I don't like vegetables. I'm eating vegetables. And you can choose the vegetables you're talking about. Enjoying this, and please consider to subscribe, and you will help us greatly, and we appreciate that. So if you subscribed, thank you. You can also join us for live classes. So see you next time. Kwaheri. Bye-bye.